Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. So let's unbox yet another parcel which has just come from Singapore. This is the 8bitDo joysticks, two of them. So let's unbox. So the reason behind I purchased these two joysticks is this one to play retro Nintendo games, Nintendo NES, Super Nintendo games, and this one is to play only SEGA games which needs XYZ, ABC, mostly like games like Mortal Kombat and all. They need these for block and run. So this is the reason this one I have purchased, and I was looking for a SEGA joystick for a very long time. So this is a Bluetooth one. So let's open this first. So it's Bluetooth. And M30 is the name. Wow, look at it. After a very long time, I'm going to hold this joystick. Oh, it's so lightweight. Oh, that's beautiful, beautiful. And these are two additional keys, the shoulder buttons, which we normally don't have in SEGA, but at least I don't remember. But here we have it. So we can use this for other games also, and the D-pad is fantastic. It's so smooth, it's beautiful, very smooth. And XYZ is exactly how it used to be. ABC is also very nice. I remember the old ones. And start button, exactly the same without any cord. So they are given a Type-C charging port over here. So yeah, they are given a Type-C cable with it. Again, I don't know the quality of the cable because it can charge the joystick, but I don't know if it can pass data with it or high-speed data with it. That we'll have to check. But anyway, the joystick is fantastic. Let's see the other one. And just keep this. And the other one is specially for Nintendo games, NES and Super Nintendo games. Oh, this is so small. Oh my god. I never imagined it will be so small. This is the knife which I unboxed it with, and it is also small. If you see, the knife is about when you close it, the knife is about 2 inches, 2 1/4 inch, and this one is, yeah, this is 3 inches. This is just 3 inches, and it is super light. You will not even know if it is in your pocket. And the shoulder buttons click. They work. This is the bad part. They are given an micro USB charging dock over here. And the cable right over here. A very short cable. Fine. And this is, oh, you're not going to drop this. Yeah, you can put this lanyard in this, and so that you're not going to drop this. This lanyard is having more weight than this. This is rechargeable. There's a battery in this, and there's just here the buttons. The D-pad doesn't make any noise. The shoulder buttons do, and these do. This is tiny. I can't use this to play Nintendo games, but someone very small, maybe children, can use this to play Nintendo games. I think I'll have to play the games on this. This is perfect size, and I'm used to this size. This is too small. Anyway, if you like this unboxing, give it a like and share this video. Subscribe to this channel if you're not yet subscribed. And guys, as I always say, enjoy and have a nice day. Thanks guys. Just an extra clip, just to size compare this, just to give you an idea how tiny this thing is. I'll just show you. If you have a PS3 joystick, this is so small. Can you compare this? How small this is? Yeah, that's so small. Say suppose you have a Xbox Series X joystick. This is the size. There's no thickness comparison at all. And look at the size. This is nothing. And look at the weight. Let's compare one more. If you have the Xbox 360 controller, the old one. Again, this is tiny. It's just tiny. And this needs AA batteries over here, and this is rechargeable. Fantastic. One more. If you remember this unboxing, look at this, guys. I think you got general idea what I'm trying to say. How tiny this one is. Compared to this is big. Not in thickness, but big. This is proper size. This you can use to play games, you know. This is perfect size. This thing is, it's just like a toy. It's a tiny thing. Literally you can put this in your pocket and you can carry this with you if you're into mobile gaming. You can just plug into your mobile via Bluetooth and start playing anywhere. I think Bluetooth is activated. Can you see? Yeah, the Bluetooth is activated. I pressed something. Anyway, so I just wanted to give you a size comparison of this with the regular joysticks or gamepads. Here you have it. Again, compare it for yourself. So guys, thanks for watching. See you soon. Take care and enjoy your games. Thanks guys.